Hey friends, it's Aquahuna here, and we just got a massive goldfish shipment. It was 66 boxes, super exciting. This is so far our biggest goldfish shipment of 2025. This shipment includes lots of our all-time favorites like ranchu, oranda, and butterfly tails, plus some interesting new varieties. Come along with us as we unpack and care for these beautiful goldies. As you can see, our team is currently unloading the truck. We're in a bit of a rush today because the flight our fish came on was delayed. We need the truck immediately after this so we can deliver to our wholesale clients on time. By the way, have I mentioned that we are the largest tropical fish importer and wholesaler in the Pacific Northwest? Now that all the boxes are inside, it's time to start opening them up. The fish are very stressed from the long distance flight, so we need to get them out and acclimated as soon as possible to help them settle in. Now that they're settled in, it's time to feed them.
I'm feeding goldfish, so I want everybody to see them. Just kidding, we say if you pay attention.
Jerry decided to lead the team in feeding the goldfish so everyone can learn, and it also helps him check on the fish and make sure they're doing well. We feed our goldfish a mix of flake and sinking pellet foods. Did you know goldfish can recognize human faces and even tell people apart over time? Research has shown they can distinguish between different individuals. When you approach the tank regularly, especially around feeding time, they start associating your presence with food. That's why they often swim up excitedly or appear to beg when they see you. Goldfish don't have stomach and digest food throughout their intestines instead. Because their digestive system is always active, they produce waste more frequently than many other fish. So that's why our team puts extra care into keeping their water clean and making sure the filters are always running efficiently. Goldfish have been around for over 1,000 years. They were originally domesticated from a wild carp species in the Carassius family. It all began when people came across rare golden fish and started keeping them in temple ponds. One of the earliest variations to develop was the comet goldfish, slimmer-bodied with a long flowing tail. From there, breeders continued to refine and expand on their features. Today they come in all sorts of shapes, colors, and tail variations. From royal gardens to your tank, they've come a long way. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our goldfish catalog on our website. Follow us on social media for updates, new fish, and more fun content.